Today I am going to unbox the digital voltmeter that is used 0 volts to 35 volts. This digital voltmeter has 3 points that are measure the voltage of the any battery or any power supplies. I will test it with 9 volts battery. See, I have a 9 volts battery. Let's test it. This voltmeter has two pins, two wires. One is negative and other one is positive. Connect the positive wire to the battery positive wire and negative to negative wire. See, the voltmeter has turned on. The voltmeter shows the voltage of the battery is 8 volt, approximately 9 on 8. Next, I will check it from two batteries. I have another battery. I connect these batteries in series connection. Connect the positive wire to the digital voltmeter and negative to the negative wire. See, the voltage is approximately 16.2 volts because the one of the battery I used is very low voltage. See, 15.3 approximately it has come. The cost of this digital voltmeter is approximately 150 rupees to 200 rupees. If you want to buy it, I will give the link in the description. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you everyone.